Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change group profile icon on Discord. To change the profile icon for a Discord server, also known as the server icon, you need to have the appropriate permissions, such as being the server owner or having the managed server permissions. And here is how to do it. First, open your web browser and go to the Discord web at discord.com. Then log in with your Discord account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this home page. From this home page, check the left sidebar. On the left sidebar, click on the server where you want to change the group profile icon. So let's say this is the server I want. Now click on the server name at the top of the channel, and once you click on the server name, you see a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you have a couple of options: server boost, invite people, server settings, create channel, create category, create event, app directory, notification settings, privacy settings, edit server profile, hide muted channel. Now go ahead and click on server settings. In the server settings, window, check the left sidebar and click on overview, which is pretty much the default option. Now this section allows you to manage the basic settings for the server, including the server's icon. Now, under the server icon section, you're going to see the current profile picture, which is the server icon. So the next thing to do is to click on the current icon, and once you click on the current icon, go ahead and change it. So a file dialog box will open, which you have here. And in this dialog box, go ahead and select the image file you want to use as the new server icon. Then make sure the image is in a supported format such as PNG, JPG, or GIF, and it meets the recommended size. All right, usually 512 times 512 pixels for best quality. Now, after selecting the image, just go ahead and click on open, and that's it. And it's going to open here and it will be changed. Then click on Save Changes at the bottom of the server settings page. I would like you to know that only users with the Manage Server Permissions or the server owner can change the server icon. The server icon appears next to the server name in the left sidebar, which you should know. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.